Trust psychology, the invisible force that controls every relationship. Imagine walking across a bridge suspended thousands of feet above the ground. You don't inspect every cable, you don't calculate the engineering, you simply step forward. Why? Because you trust. Now imagine if that trust disappeared. Every step would feel dangerous. Every movement would become exhausting. That's exactly how the human brain experiences relationships. Trust isn't just an emotion. It's the invisible architecture holding human civilization together. Every conversation begins with a silent question. Are you safe? Before your brain processes someone's words, it studies their face, voice, posture, and intentions. Within seconds, your subconscious is already making a prediction. Friend or threat? This ancient survival system helped our ancestors decide who could share food, protect the tribe, or become an enemy. Today, the same psychological code still runs quietly beneath every handshake, friendship, romance, and business deal. Trust is not blind. It's calculated, often without your awareness. Many people believe trust is created by grand promises. Psychology says otherwise. Trust grows through consistency. One kept promise, one honest conversation, one moment where actions perfectly match words. The brain remembers patterns more than perfection. Someone who is consistently reliable becomes psychologically predictable, and predictability creates emotional safety. That's why trust is built slowly, but can disappear in seconds. When trust is betrayed, the brain doesn't simply remember the event. It rewrites its expectations. Suddenly, harmless situations feel suspicious. Simple questions sound like hidden attacks. Even kindness becomes difficult to believe. The brain is trying to prevent another wound. But sometimes, the walls built for protection also keep out genuine connection. The fascinating part of trust psychology is this. Trust doesn't return because someone says, "Believe me." It returns when repeated experiences create new evidence, small promises, honest accountability, patience, transparency. Over time, the brain quietly updates its internal prediction. Maybe it's safe again. Trust is never repaired with words alone. It's rebuilt through repeated actions. Every meaningful relationship stands on an invisible foundation. Not money, not beauty, not power. Trust. It's the silent language that tells another human being, "You don't have to fear me." And perhaps the greatest psychological truth of all is this. People rarely remember every word you said, but their brain never forgets how safe or unsafe you made them feel. Because in the end, trust isn't merely something we give, it's something we experience. And that invisible experience quietly shapes every human connection we will ever have. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.